Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video tutorial on how to do ombre nails. This was requested by one of my subscribers, so I am going to give this my best shot and hope I explain everything as well as I can. So first you're going to need an ombre brush. Now I got this one from Amazon. It came quite quickly considering deliveries are being delayed at the moment. I will link this down below in the description box. And yeah, so let's get right to it. So I'm going to be doing three different designs. So the first one is going to be a dark blue fading into a lighter blue, and then the other ones are going to be a pink and white, and I think I did a pink and grey. Now traditionally when you do ombre nails, you're supposed to do like the top half of the one color and then the bottom half of the second color you're going to be using, but I find it easier to paint your base color one color first and then go in and try and do the fade a little bit later. So I've painted the dark blue one. I've cured that in my lamp for 60 seconds as per gel polish guidelines. Now I'm going to go in and do the half and the half. So I'm going to do the dark blue halfway down the nail, and then I'm going to go in with the lighter blue and do that on the bottom half of the nail. So that doesn't get cured because you need to be able to blend that. So I'm just going to go in, like I said, with the lighter blue color. Just zoom in a little bit for you so you can see what I'm doing. So when you're doing this, obviously try not to let the colors touch, because obviously you're going to contaminate your gel, and you know, you can always wipe it off, but it's easy just to try and push it as close as you can to your other color so that they don't quite touch. You don't want to contaminate your gel. So just using very, very light tapping motions, you just go along that line and try and blend those two colors together. It takes really, really light, just tap, 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 tap all the way across. And you can see the two colors are already starting to blend in together, which is going to create a nice, lovely fade. Now again, you know, you can do 2 coats of this, but just for the darker ones I only did the 1 coat. For the other colors I'll do 2 coats so you can see what it looks like with the 2. So once you're happy with your fade, you can just go side to side and gently sweep that in there, and that just brings your fade in together. See, I love doing this, and I was getting a bit excited when I was doing it. So I mean, you don't have to do it for as long as I did, but yeah, you can go back in again and do the tapping motion, and then another final sweep just to blend that color in nicely, and then pop that into your lamp for 60 seconds or whatever your gel polish recommends curing time. So it's usually between 30 to 60 seconds, but just check your gel polish first, because some of them will probably say 2 minutes as well, depending on your lamp. So that's fully cured now. To come out, I'm going to do the second design for you. Now I've already prepped these 3 little tabs that I'm going to be using. So I've put the base coat already on there. Obviously did that off camera just to save a little bit of time. So I'm going to go in with a pink and white now. And again, I paint the whole entire nail. Well, if you're doing this on somebody, you'd paint the whole entire nail the lighter pink color, and then I'll go in and do the half and half. Okay, so I've done the half and half on that one, and then again just taking my brush, just very, very gentle taps from side to side, trying to create that lovely blend in the middle. Blend? Yes. Trying to create that blend in the middle so that the two colors, yeah, just flow into one another. I'm going to do a second coat on this one for you because the pink is really light, and I think the second coat definitely brings it up a little bit more. And yeah, it just defines it a little bit more. You know, I would definitely recommend that if you are doing the lighter colors, you use 2 coats of each for this one. But the darker colors, you can more or less get away with just the one. Right, so I'm going to do my third color now, which is a lovely pink and grey. Ooh, a little bit too close. I'll just zoom out a bit so you can see the colors that I'm using. There we go. These are from Candy Coat, and I've got the numbers at the bottom there. And yeah, it's a lovely pink and very, very light, subtle grey nude color. Yeah, and I'll blend those two again together for you so you can see what it looks like. And for this one, I am going to do 2 coats as well because the color is lighter. Right, so whilst I pop that into the lamp for 60 seconds to cure, I just thought I would show you a few designs that I was practicing on before actually doing this video. These are just different colors that I was playing around together with to see what works and what doesn't work. When I was researching ombre nails, I learned that you're actually supposed to use the color wheel and use colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. So if you're doing a red, you can complement it with a green. If you're doing a blue, you complement it with an orange, and so on. So that's what I tried to do here. Although, to be fair, I wasn't that keen on some of the color combinations. I think they just looked a bit too wild. Maybe I just didn't have the right colors. But yeah, that's just something for you to keep in mind, and just a little tip for you as well. So there we go. All of them have all been cured now, and I am going to go in and do my favorite part, the top coat. And I feel like this brings the colors together as well when you do that top coat on there. You'll see what I mean in a minute when I actually start doing it. But yeah, I actually love just watching top coat. It just, yeah, like I said, it brings everything together and just makes it look extra beautiful. So here we have our 3 ombre designs. They were pretty simple and easy to do. Okay, you guys let me know what you think of this video, and if there's anything that you would like me to try in another video, please just comment below and let me know, and I will do my best to do it for you. Thank you so much for watching and joining me, and I'll see you really, really soon in another video. Bye!